Samsung Smart Monitor M8. South Korean tech giant Samsung's 32-inch smart monitor M8 is finally up for pre-order, globally. Samsung officially introduced Smart Monitor M8, which was originally announced at CES 2022. As per GSM Arena report, this is a 4K 3840 by 2160 pixels, resolution VA-type LCD with a 16:9 aspect ratio and 60 Hz refresh rate. The panel is HDR10 Plus compliant and covers 99% of the sRGB color spectrum. The company also gives built-in AirPlay 2, wireless Samsung DeX support as well as remote PC access functionality with the device. There are two 5-watt speakers on board, and Samsung is also bringing a detachable 1080p slim fit camera with tilt functionality, as per the report. Smart Monitor M8 runs Tizen operating system and can act as a control hub for all smart home devices. I/O consists of one micro HDMI port and two USB Type-C ports. The buyers will also get Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth V4.2 wireless connectivity and a 65 watts USB Type-C output to power on connected phones and laptops. The monitor weighs in at 9.4 kilograms and comes in warm white, sunset pink, daylight blue and spring green colors. As per the outlet, Samsung Smart Monitor M8 will retail for $729, roughly 55,400 rupees, with the slim fit camera bundle. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.